vlog si Jen. Maapil lagi sa vlog.
Ate ka vlog, yeah.
You're making me nervous, looking for my car keys and rising up like a phoenix says, been tired of pushed down the ground, speaking my heart like it really is, 'cause I can't take another no. I see, I like, I go, I get, no one can holding me back. Rising up like a phoenix says, been tired of pushed down the ground, speaking my heart like it really is, 'cause I can't take another no. I see, I like, I go, I get, no one can holding me back. I see, I like, I go, I get, go, I get, go, I get, go, I get now.
So guys, I've already shown you the sneak peek of our IKEA visit, and now I'm going to show you what I got from IKEA. So this is my haul, and I've got few essentials only, and most of my friends got other things that were on sale, on huge sale, like carpet and other things for their home back in the Philippines. So, wag nang magpatumpik-tumpik ha, and I'm going to show you what I've got from IKEA. So first is this cutlery holder. I really had a hard time organizing all of our cutlery, so I think it's just good to get it on sale. This is only for 3 reals, and I can't remember how much is the original price, but I'm sure that this is on sale. So cutlery set for 3 reals. Then I've also got this mat. So I've got one like a carpet with a carpet texture. So this is for our living room. This is for 8 reals, and I think the original price was 17 or 15. So this is on sale. It's 16 by 24 centimeters, if I'm not, no, 16 by 24 inches. I'm not sure, but yeah, it's for 8 reals. And I've got this for our kitchen and toilet. And you know, one tip when you go to like any other stores, if they're on sale, in IKEA, there are 2 mats that were together. So they placed that it was on sale for 3 reals. And then when I go to the counter and I was about to buy this, it was for 5 reals. So I realized this is not the item that was on sale, but it's the other one. So just a small tip lang, just really check on the codes because it's Swedish, so you cannot, we're all not familiar on it, but just check the codes or the brand or the product's name so you won't be confused. So yeah, I thought it's for 3 reals, but I got it for 5. So both of these will be 10 reals. And then Hello! Oh my gosh! So this one are, what do you call this? These are scented candles. It's 30 pieces and I got it for 8 reals only. Correct? I got it for 12 and the original price is 15 reals. And I had this small candle holders that I got for 3 pieces, 3 reals each, but I think it was in my friend's plastic bag because it's not here. I just realized today that it's not here. So this one, and the most what should I say, the best buy that I was able to get from IKEA was this coffee table. So this is actually, the original price was for 59 reals and I got it for 29 reals only. So this is the reason actually why I was so happy to go there, even if it's really far, because I was thinking of a coffee table but I couldn't get one because it's quite expensive. But now it's on sale. I'll show you again. It's 55 by 55 centimeters. So yeah, I'll just wait for Earl to come home later this day and we will be assembling this table and I will show you how it will look like afterwards. So that ends my IKEA haul, and it's not that interesting, I know, but yeah, I had a great time and thank you so much for watching. Goodbye. Thank you. And by the way, before I forget, whenever you go to IKEA and you see a specific product that you really like and you need to get it in their service center or in their like what do you call that one? Bodega? In their storeroom, something like that. You have to take a picture of the product and don't forget the aisle and the section for you to be able to be guided on where to go and where to find the product. So usually in the product itself, there will be a tag and it will show you the description, the price, and of course the aisle and the section. So when you go down or when you go to the store area, you will just immediately go to the aisle and in what section, and you will get it from there. So actually there were still a lot of things that were on sale, but unfortunately we were not able to get it because they're all sold out. So yeah, just a quick reminder, don't forget the aisle and the section. That's all. Bye-bye.